Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from GCash to your PayPal account. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so let's just get one thing straight. As of 2025, there are no direct transfer options directly from GCash to PayPal. However, here at How to Harbor, we make workarounds. Okay, so let's jump in. Let's see what the steps are. First of all, you need to create a secondary PayPal account. So you need to link your secondary PayPal account to your verified GCash account with matching personal details. You then need to send a payment request. So use this secondary PayPal account to send an invoice or payment request to your primary PayPal account. Okay? Then you need to pay using GCash. So you need to now pay the invoice using your GCash balance or GCash MasterCard. Of course, some fees may apply. And then confirm funds have arrived in your primary PayPal account before closing the transaction. And here's a pro tip for you. If you set your PayPal currency to PHP, this will minimize currency conversion rates. For reversal transfers, which means PayPal to GCash, you can simply link your PayPal in the GCash app and use the cash in feature. I hope this is helpful.